Hi students. So today my topic is introduction to HTML. It is a very important to know that what is HTML. Actually we are using internet nowadays and it is one of the most important thing that we have nowadays to get different type of informations regarding different parts of their day-to-day life. So let's come to the point. The topic is HTML. HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is mainly used to define the layout and attributes of a World Wide Web document as well as to create links between the pages. We are using different types of networking pages and we connect one page with the another page, and for the process of the linking of these pages from one to another we need to create HTML coding. Okay, so what is HTML? We have concluded that what is HTML. Now HTML is a subset of SGML. SGML stands for Standard Generalized Markup Language, right? So HTML had different type of elements and tags. What are tags? Tags are the coded commands. We can say tags are the coded commands. Coded commands in HTML. Commands in HTML. Right. So different type of tags that are used in HTML, and the first one is the container tag and the second one is the empty tag. Container tag means which contains some data and some values, some attributes. Empty tag means those tags which doesn't contain any sort of tags or attributes or values. These tags need not to be closed, whereas container tag must be closed within the angular brackets. Now next comes to the next point is the structure of HTML. How HTML documents can be written on the web page, or we can how can we create an HTML document. So first thing is that we have to write the HTML code in this way. HTML it indicates the web page is written in HTML, and the second one is the head. Head is the second tag that we use in the HTML document. Inside head we have title, and this section is mainly used to give the title of the web page. For example, it's abc.html. Likewise, the next one is that we have to close the title tag, and after that we have to close the head tag also. After head tag we have to start the body tag. Body tag contains all the documents, all the necessary informations of a web page. Okay, so body tag is used, and after that we have to close the HTML tag. Indicates the end of the web page. So this is the basic way we can use to write an HTML document. So the next question is that how we can create and where we can create the HTML document. So we need the text editor. What a text editor? The Notepad, WordPad. What you see is what you can get. What you see is what you get. It is also a text editor. And the second one is the web browser, means Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, etc.